Hey everyone, before this video begins, I just wanted to take a quick second just to make it clear that this wasn't set out to be a comparison video. It was more the settings I was using before and the settings I'm using now. So the settings I was using before on the Eachine Wizard was, I think it was 1 kHz on the gyro and 2 kHz on the accelerometer. And then recently I just wasn't flying in angle mode or stability mode or anything like that, so I turned off the accelerometer within beta flight. And because my CPU load dropped to about 8 or 10%, I decided that I would try and up the rate on the board and see what it would take. So I'm now currently flying at 4 kHz and 4 kHz. I thought it would be interesting. Have a look.
That Cuban talk, only the best for me. You're as gold, you've got a hold on me, feeding my revelry, my revelry. I've been running out of time to be wasted, now I'm running out of air. You're running on my mind, now I'm awakened, awakened. I've been looking for the light, I'm holding on, I'm trying to lose the fear. It's running on my mind, it's running on my mind. Stay
Hey guys, very quick final thoughts and opinions from changing the accelerometer from 2K, from 2K and then the gyro from 1K up to 4K and 4K. The quad definitely feels a lot more locked in. It's a better flying experience. I'd recommend that if you don't fly angle mode or horizon mode or anything like that, that you turn off the accelerometer in beta flight, switch it to 4K, hit save and reboot, If you guys are a little stuck and need a tutorial, feel free to let me know in the comments and I can make one. But give it a go. It definitely feels better. I'm going to go back out and fly. Subscribe if you want more content.